Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to add variations for your Etsy website listings. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Etsy website right here, Etsy.com, if you have not already. So after opening it up, the first thing we can do is go ahead and log into our account. If you do not already have an account, you can just go ahead and create one. So after logging in, this is going to be the home page you're greeted by. From here, we can go ahead and get started opening up the shop manager. By opening up the shop manager, this is going to enable you to set up your store if you do not already have one set up. If you already have a store, you're going to go ahead and be able to manage your store settings directly from the shop manager. And now we can get started following this Etsy Help Center article right here on how to add variations for our listings. So basically guys, we are going to choose the listing we are interested in, the listing page, and to get to the listings page, you're going to open up your shop manager just like I showed you. So from your shop manager, open up the listings page and then select the variations tab that you're going to see next to your listings. Then you can click to choose add variations. This is the button that's going to enable you to add as many variations as you want for your items on your store, and select from the list of available variations. The variations displayed depend on the category you selected for your listings. If it's shirts, if it's something else, it's going to have different variations. And then if you want to vary the price, quantity, processing profile, and so on, you can toggle those options on. Once you're finished and you have finished up your variations, just click done, save it, and apply it to your variations. And then these are going to appear in the variation section that people are going to be able to see once they're purchasing your product. And that's how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.